Emmanuel.
Emmanuel.
Mia fofo be ni so premier dimanche que va y abe Bethesda be sia. Que iba ye ele do ba me be ya ho ya be ku amlima be sia e be portable sonné. Wa professeur na yo nya be no ya gogo funua be ya no yo do kweme ano dogbe la kin ba no ya gogo amlima be noa. Mia fofo be ye yi ye e be ku Bethesda be sia. Que va do agbodia portable ba sonné que yeso ye son ye yo ye wa. Les tonnerres be fifi diabe et ne pudu va home be yobe diabe e khozun to be ndele wo de bia nya fofo be kaka la pudu la da home a ye wa ko de bia na de kia de bia e fatia lo menai ye be o nke da jolly fio ye be o ke bo abe tu e tude le si be e dule me
ye be pletu yere
ki so ko ba home ye la fulu tu afifi je ye tonne so be ne ko de bia do asina e be de bonu ye so Bethesda be sia ye be so me la ka so de me ye be o de pe ntini afia glane de bia ye fia glane ye so sia ke so kodo nu mene wa ye so le gbo be yo akọ ye konji be a o be de tote wa ye so ko e pe kaka ye so la zon la tata hormonja de hormone de ke a de bia ezemi kodo nti zeleka de bia gboba agba gboba ni gbadi.
Emmanuel
oui
egbeto ya eglom soka ka funda ka mjina di da se wa nyala nke tutu ezina mdana do bo egbeto ya be dola di da se ya ko kwe
parce que de ba gbeta.
Emmanuel, notre frère est très heureux car le Dieu du prophète Sénan El Gibor a fait un miracle dans sa vie. Le premier dimanche dernier, il est venu pour puiser l'eau de Bethesda. Et pendant qu'il puisait l'eau, alors il a reçu un coup de fil de la part de sa femme, lui demandant de rentrer immédiatement. Il s'est rendu à la maison, il s'est rendu compte que son fils était gravement malade. Avant de sortir de la maison, l'enfant a rendu l'âme. Alors il s'est souvenu de l'eau de Bethesda, qui est une force surnaturelle. Il a utilisé cette eau sur l'enfant. Quelque temps après, l'enfant a chié et est revenu à la vie. Et incroyable, il est venu pour remercier le Dieu du prophète Sénan. Emmanuel.
Emmanuel, our brother is here to give glory to the God of Prophet Sénan for what he has done for him. He said last week Sunday, when they are about to go and fetch the Bethesda water at the pool of Bethesda, and the man of God warned them that anybody that wants to go and fetch the Bethesda water, you should be in yourself, be prayerful before you get there. And his phone was ringing. He said no, that he will not pick the phone until he finished fetching the water before he will pick the phone. When he finished fetching the water, he came outside, he picked the phone. It was the wife that was calling him. He called the wife back, and the wife was telling him that he should come back home fast because their son is sick. He went home. When he saw the son was half dead. So he said no, that he has a gun that he just bought. He used the Bethesda water and Melach, mixed it together, and gave to the boy. And after some time, the wife said he should take the boys to the hospital. He said no, that they will not take the boy to the hospital, but the wife insisted. So while the wife was taking the boy out of the house, the boy defecated, and he became alive. He's healthy now. He's here to give glory to the God of Prophet Sénan, Emmanuel.